Right over to you, Dina.
Okay, you know what that means, Tash? You're going to want to see this. Comfort food, friends. 'Tis the season. How's about a little pumpkin cornbread with bacon? When the weather gets colder, it's the perfect time to get bacon in the kitchen. Here to share his incredible comfort food dishes is Toronto baker Colin Asuncion. How are you, Colin?
I'm great. Thank you so much for having me, Dina. I'm ready to showcase all of this amazing food to hopefully inspire everybody to bake at home.
Yes, please. Okay, I've never heard of, I love a good scone. Do you say scone or scone?
I say scone.
Same.
You know what? When I'm trying to feel fancy, I say scone.
Okay,
But
fine.
on a daily basis, it's scone.
It's scone, okay? This is a smoked salmon herbed scone.
Exactly. So it's one of my favorite brunch items. It's nice and savory, really amazing amount of salt. So this scone, it's buttery, it's tender, it's got fresh herbs. We have dill, scallions, and parsley, and a generous portion of that nice salty smoked salmon. I love it.
Do you have to be a pro baker like you? It seems intimidating to make something like that, or is it pretty easy?
I would say a scone is actually an amazing beginner bake because it doesn't require any specialty equipment. You can really just use a couple butter knives to cut in that butter. Just use your hands. It's really fun. It's a great beginner bake.
And
Absolutely.
who cares what it looks like? It just tastes great, okay? Up
Exactly.
next.
That's how I feel.
Oh, I love cornbread. Pumpkin cornbread. Pumpkin?
Yes.
Okay, with bacon.
Exactly. So I think when it comes to fall baking and fall food in general, when people think pumpkin, they think sweet. They think pumpkin pie. They think pumpkin spice lattes, but I pushed it into a salty direction. So again, this is a pumpkin cornbread with bacon, sweet and salty, really fluffy, really moist. It's delicious.
That
It goes
looks so
great
good.
for a brunch spread, side dish, terrific.
Okay, spiced soda bread with dark chocolate and walnut, so a lot of texture.
Yes, exactly. So that's right here. So let's talk about bread for a second. I feel like everybody during this pandemic has been making bread, specifically sourdough. This is not sourdough. It's not that difficult. It's a soda bread, so it's actually a quick bread. It gets its rise from baking soda. And like you said, this one is spiced. It has some nice fall warm spices, dark chocolate, and walnut for a little bit of crunch.
Okay, shortbread cookies. What's the season without them? You've taken it up to the next level with some black sesame shortbread.
Exactly. Like you said, shortbread is such a classic for fall and winter, but you know, my favorite shortbread is a little bit off the beaten path. It's a black sesame shortbread. So there's black sesame powder in the actual cookie, and then it's topped with a little sprinkling of toasted black sesame seeds. It's very sophisticated, earthy, a little nutty, truly delicious.
So beautiful. I love anything ginger. I just find it's delicious. There's something comforting about it, and I feel like it has so many healing properties. You have ginger molasses cupcakes with cream cheese frosting.
Yes, exactly. And topped with a little white chocolate as well. You know, who doesn't love a cupcake? I think cupcakes are fun. They're portable. They put a smile on everybody's face no matter what. And this combination, like you said, it's ginger molasses cake, lots of warm fall spices, and then that combined with the tang of cream cheese frosting, it's an amazing combination. It's an amazing, delicious dessert.
Colin, everything looks so beautiful, and I have to say, since you can't be with family if they're nearby, isn't it so nice when you received like handmade baked goods? Because it tastes the best, it's the most fresh, and it shows you love them. You put some work into it.
It's so true. It makes an amazing gift. Actually, once this is over, I'm going to box all these up. I have some family coming to visit with their masks on, of course, to take away some of these baked goods because I can't possibly eat this all myself. I do live alone.
How do you stay so fit? Where's your quarantine 15 with all the baked goods? How do you do it, Colin?
Oh, it's there. It's there. This shirt is tight. It's a lot tighter than it used to be, let me tell you.
I don't believe you, okay? I don't believe you, but that's amazing. It's all about balance. You stay busy in the kitchen, you take a bite, you share some of it. It's a win-win-win. Where do we find more information for those recipes?
So you can find these recipes on my YouTube channel. It's just my name. Just search Colin Asuncion. And I also post a ton of this stuff on Instagram as well, at Colin Asuncion.
Very good. Beautiful recipes. Thanks, Colin, for sharing all of those. Right now, Steph, I'm hungry, even though I ate breakfast a few hours ago.
Starving. And you know I don't eat breakfast. So watching that, I can't wait till I can go get some breakfast.